अगला स्टेशन सिजजी है.
The next station is Syzygy.
So let me get this straight. You're saying slut shaming is not a bad thing.
No, I'm saying that slut as a concept in itself is not as bad as you make it seem. It's the context that makes it good or bad.
The fuck does that mean?
Okay, so definition wise, anyone who's been sexually active rather frequently is a slut, right? Which should be fine. But it's the act of sex जो समाज की नज़रों में गलत है. Hence the word shame in slut shame.
But don't you think it's kind of insensitive towards women? Because usually it's a woman who's being looked down upon and called a slut, you know? Whereas if it's a guy, he's, I don't know, stud?
That part I completely agree with. In fact, I think slut should be a gender neutral term. Let's normalize calling each other sluts, bro. It's better than calling someone a whore any day.
Isn't that the same thing?
No, see, there's a difference, okay? So slut is like a quality. Arjun's smart, Arjun's creative, Arjun's a slut. But if Arjun's a whore, Arjun's not just creative, no. Arjun is an artist. Arjun is passionate about being a whore. But yeah, I mean, the context is everything.
You do realize that none of this makes any sense, right?
Yeah, but would you rather have us eat biryani in complete silence on a Sunday?
Point. Also, I don't get what the fuck's so eventful about Sundays, man. मतलब पूरे हफ्ते टट्टी खिलाने के बाद what makes the mess people suddenly go like, oh, आज Sunday है, students deserve some biryani.
Well, I see it as more of a, fuck you to our faces.
कि ये लो सालों बिरयानी खाओ, बाकी का हफ्ता बहुत गोबर होने वाला है.
I know, and the worst part is, biryani भी इतनी limited quantity में देते हैं, Everything is just raita.
Everything else is just raita. Well, isn't that life?
On second thought, eating in silence was not such a bad idea. Thank God, bro, तू आ गया यार. I was about to overdose on Arjun's cringe.
बाय द वे वहाँ कौन सी पार्टी चल रही है?
Is that at Always Moody?
Who?
Aditi Sharma. It's her Insta handle.
Wasn't Aditi Sharma's Insta handle at Selenophile with 3 S's?
वो तो सुहाना हुजा का था ना?
सुहाना का इंस्टा हैंडल इज @opacarofile with an underscore and अदिति शर्मा ने फर्स्ट ईयर में ही अपना इंस्टा हैंडल चेंज कर लिया था टू @alwaysmoody.
Okay, fine. But you still haven't answered the question. Is it a birthday or something?
Nope. They're celebrating. इंटर्नशिप ऑफर मिला है उसे. एक मिनट. इस कंपनी का तो टेस्ट तूने भी दिया था ना? हाउ डिड गो?
पता नहीं यार, गया तो ठीक ही था. They said they'll let me know in a couple of days. But they took her, I guess.
छोड़ना यार. Don't think about it. She's a girl. You know how it is with them.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. क्या पता उसका सही में अच्छा गया हो. Doesn't matter. Point is, she won. उसकी लाइफ तो सॉर्ट है.
जल तो रही होगी तेरी.
I mean, it's not like I can do anything about it.
डील तो कर ही सकते हैं. एक काम कर, अपना फ़ोन निकाल. निकाल. Right. Now all the bitter thoughts and feelings you have about her, type them out in a text.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah, for reals. Just do not hit send. Get it out and you'll feel great.
Really? That works?
Of course not. ये सब चूतिया advice लेना. It's all pussy behavior, bro. Just ignore her, man. She had an edge at the end of the day. An edge is an edge. That's all that matters.
Yeah. You know what? Fuck her, I guess.
Yes, thank God. Finally. क्या?
कुछ नहीं.
बोल ना.
You remember in physics we used to have this drunkard problem in relative motion?
क्या?
The drunkard problem, जहाँ पे एक बेवड़ा आदमी used to take 1 step forward and 3 steps backward. यार तब लगता था कि क्या ही लूज़र आदमी है, ढंग से चल भी नहीं सकता. But now that we're having the same conversation over and over again, I kind of feel for that loser, you know?
Arjun, just out of curiosity, is there someone out there paying you to be this over dramatic? या फिर तेरे को बस मजा आ रहा है?
Come on यार.
क्या बहनचोद? खन्ना समझा यार इसे.
Dude, you've been awfully quiet. Everything okay?
हाँ, it's just never mind.
नहीं यार, कुछ है तो बता सकता.
अब छोड़ना यार, just not the right time.
Doesn't matter यार. Speak your mind.
Yeah, you can totally let us know, you know. हम लोग सुन रहे हैं. We are listening. We are paying very close attention to everything you say, okay?
Seriously, Nox?
अरे यार. अच्छा ठीक है, बता क्या हुआ.
So आज दिन में I was talking to this friend of mine from school and we were just catching up. And we were talking about this junior we had, Aryan. And I found out that he passed away.
Dude, that's... wow. That's awful, dude. I can't imagine what you must be going through.
Honestly, I don't even know how to feel. Ever since that phone call, I've tried to distract myself, but this is all I can think about. And it's not even like we were very close or anything. But all of it just feels so sudden. You know?
Dude, it's natural to feel that way. I mean, मुझे नहीं पता कि मेरे साथ होता तो मैं कैसे feel करता. And especially if it's someone younger. That's just scary.
Do we know how it happened? Like, अचानक से हुआ है या?
I mean, I don't know. I heard कुछ urgent medical issue था जो escalate हो गया, but it's all hearsay, so I can't know for sure.
God, and the parents? I mean, यहाँ बैठ के बात करना बहुत convenient है, but we can't imagine what someone must be going through.
You know, आज शाम को मैं ऐसे ही आर्यन का इंस्टा देख रहा था एंड मुझे हमारी चैट्स दिखी. द लास्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन वी हैड वाज अ कपल मंथ्स अगो. वो मेरे से एंट्रेंस वगैरह की टिप्स मांग रहा था एंड इट वाज लाइक वन ऑफ दोज मोमेंट्स वेयर आई वाज लाइक शिट, वाजंट दिस यस्टरडे? ही वाज इनटू फोटोग्राफी. उसके पूरे अकाउंट पे बस वो नेचर के एस्थेटिक पोस्ट थे. And when I told him about हमारे कॉलेज का photography club, he said he was looking forward to it. पता नहीं यार, फालतू में मूड सीरियस कर दिया मैंने.
नहीं यार, maybe this is the reality check that we needed.
There's this silly scene that I keep replaying in my head sometimes, and it's not intended to be sad or depressing. It's just out of curiosity.
What scene?
So it's like I'm dead, but I'm sort of a ghost. And every person in my life, my friends, family, they're all one by one giving a eulogy speech कि खन्ना ऐसे था, खन्ना वैसा था. But somehow when I add all those speeches together, I get a guy who sounds like me, but it's not really me, you know. And now the worst part is ki, since I'm a ghost, it's too late for me to even say anything.
What would you, the real Khanna, wanted to say?
I have no clue.
तुम लोगों को कपिल शर्मा का शो याद है? You know, back when it used to be Comedy Nights with Kapil. यार अब लगता है वही लाइफ का बेस्ट टाइम था. You know, मैं रोज संडे रात को वो शो देखता था. एंड तब मेरी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम बस ये होती थी कि क्या मंडे फर्स्ट पीरियड के पहले मेरा होमवर्क खत्म हो गया या नहीं. एंड यू नो, हर शो के एंड में ना कपिल यूज्ड टू कम अप टू द ऑडियंस एंड से स्वस्थ रहिए, हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, देखते रहिए कॉमेडी नाइट्स विद कपिल. और वो सुन के ना एक फील आती थी, चाहे जो हो जाए अगले संडे तक सब वापस चिल हो जाएगा. पर यार बहुत टाइम से वो फील आई नहीं.
ये क्या कर रहे हैं हम ये?
What?
I don't get it. None of this makes sense. No, I get it. It's sad, genuinely. But life sucks. ये न्यूज़ कब से हो गया? And why do we have to sit here and pretend as if हम आज ही पैदा हुए हैं?
Dude, because things like these are not easy, okay? Come on यार, moment देख. Can't you be a little more understanding?
Look, Khanna, I'm sorry, but sitting here and talking about these things which are clearly not in our control honestly seems a bit pointless to me. We're just ruining our mood and our meal.
Seriously? You seriously care about this meal right now?
You know what? Actually, I do. I just came here to have my meal for 30 minutes, go back to my room and get back to my shitty stuff.
Maybe Nox is right. Maybe all of this is just part of the game and we can't really do anything about it.
But do you really know that for sure?
I don't know, man, but think about it. The samosa situation was a month ago, and the whole pani feckna thing, that was at the start of the semester. ये सोच के ही गांड नहीं फट रही. पता नहीं और कितने संडे बिरयानीज बाकी है before I'm sitting alone in some random 2 BHK reminiscing about all this.
पता नहीं यार. स्कूल में तो लगता था कि कॉलेज लाइफ तो बहुत सॉर्टेड होगी. बट नाउ दैट आई एम हियर इट जस्ट फील्स लाइक कॉलेज इज गिविंग मी टेस्ट आफ्टर टेस्ट. एंड आई टेल टू माई सेल्फ दैट थिंग्स विल बी ओके वंस इट्स ऑल ओवर. बट इट जस्ट नेवर डज गेट ओवर. देयर इज नो विनिंग. और अब यहाँ बैठ के ये सब एक्सेप्ट करना, it just makes it all worse.
Honestly, Arjun, I think you're unbelievable.
What?
तू रोज बस यही करता है यार. You pretend as if your life is some big crisis. कौन सा टाइम बॉम्ब फटने वाला है मानो. देखो ना, एक रिवॉर्ड चाहिए just because you think you're working hard. But guess what? So is everybody else.
The fuck?
It's true.
The actual fuck.
Yeah, Nox.
See, I hate to be blunt, but it's true. You're a fucking hypocrite.
Oh really? I'm the hypocrite for working hard and wanting a decent life.
It's not about that, and you know it. It's about you blaming everyone else and everybody else for anything that doesn't go your way. And the worst part is, तू सिर्फ खुद का चूतिया काट रहा है.
Oh, how so?
Well, let's talk about the piano thing. I won't pretend that I haven't heard you play the piano alone at the middle of the night. तेरे दिमाग में ना एक इमेज बन गई है ऑफ लिविंग एन आइडियल लाइफ एंड तू अपने आप को किसी भी रैंडम आदमी से कंपेयर करेगा जस्ट टू लिव अप टू दैट इमेज इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग समथिंग दैट यू आर एक्चुअली गुड एट. बट हमारे सामने नहीं, तेरे को उसके बारे में बात नहीं करनी है, तेरे को उसके बारे में सोचना नहीं है, तेरे को उसके बारे में सुनना नहीं है. तू फट्टू है बहनचोद. तू हमारे सामने अपना पियानो नहीं बजाता, लेट अलोन एनीबॉडी एल्स.
यार तुझे पता है ना उसको इस टॉपिक पे बात करना पसंद नहीं है, क्यों छेड़ रहा है?
This is the problem. We have to sit here and pretend as if we're having some deep conversation, but जैसे ही मामला रियल होता है, नहीं, हमें तो बातें नहीं करनी है.
Dude, that's a separate thing. It's got nothing to do with this. Don't try to over intellectualize shit, especially when you don't know.
Okay, cool.
And you wanna get real? Sure, let's get real. I wanna see you take anything seriously for a change. That'll be new.
मैं ये conversation बहुत seriously ले रहा हूँ.
And calling me the hypocrite on top of that? Hilarious, bro. You don't have the balls to talk about anything real. The moment things get even a little serious, it scares the shit out of you. And even though you try to make it seem like you're too cool to care about anything, the truth is, you're just too immature to consider anyone's feelings but yourself.
Great. अब पूरा focus मुझ पे shift कर दे. Fucking fantastic, Arjun.
Not really. It's not all about me. It's all true and you know it. You're too insecure to have a mature conversation. With us, with that girl you've been obsessed with anyone, honestly.
Dude, you know what? I'm probably too insecure to sit and have this conversation with you right now, so I'll just leave. But hey, thanks for ruining Sunday biryani.
That's such a mature way to handle this conversation, right? Thanks for proving my point, though.
Yeah, well, at least I'm not a fucking pussy.
नॉक्स, क्या कर रहे हो यार तुम लोग? भाई क्या था वो?
I don't know, bro. Ask him. Clearly, he's the one who wanted all of this.
But was all of it necessary?
Listen, कल मेरा टेस्ट है जिसके बारे में मेरा बिल्कुल पढ़ने का मन नहीं हो रहा, ठीक है? I do not have the time for this. I'm leaving, okay?
You know, maybe it doesn't matter what people say
क्या?
at the eulogy. Maybe what those people say doesn't matter. Maybe what matters more is who those people are